So what do you feel like cooking tonight?
Pasta.
What kind of pasta?
I don't know. What about rotini?
Sounds good. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open, and we'll get ready. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Hey, what are you guys doing in there? That's not where you belong. You just need to. Hey everyone, Crowbar here, cooking with Crowbar. Today we're gonna do rotini, and what kind of spaghetti sauce?
Prego.
Because I call it prego. Anyway, we're gonna use these little tins here you get at the truck stop. I'm gonna do it ×2. So we have savory garlic knots to go with it. And here's the rotini. So, but we're gonna bake it. We're gonna show you that the air fryer can be used in the truck as well to make baked pasta. We did it with the Alfredo. Now we're gonna do it with tomato sauce. It should turn out good, I guess. I don't know. Never done it before. But before I go any further, listen, I am really grateful. I have 323, I think the number was the last time I looked.
I thought it was 326.
326, yeah, you're right. 326 subscribers. I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much for taking an interest in what we're doing out here, showing everybody a better way of eating while on the road or living on the road. But if you're not a subscriber and you just stumbled into this channel, it doesn't cost you a dime. Please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. It helps us out a little bit more, a lot more. Without further ado, let's get this puppy going. So I'm going to use the tray that comes with the air fryer, because it doesn't have to be way up into the coil. And we're going to just dump everything in here at once. We also have meatballs. I forgot to say that. We do have meatballs to go with this, so that's going to be good. So, okay, let's just crack her open. Ooh, that smells good. So, we have the pasta in there. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and round it real good. Just, oh my God, this is gonna be a mess. But it looks unorthodox. It looks like a mess, but yeah, it looks like dried up dog food. Holy crap.
Well, once you get a meatball on there, it's going to be good.
I'm going to take some water, bottled water, and I'm going to pour that much into the jar. And I'm going to give it a good shake to get the rest of the sauce out of there and other ingredients, spices, because, you know, it sticks to the glass. Plus, it'll help the noodles cook better. And you just work it into the noodles. So all your liquid gets down in there. Oh yeah, get it in there. So, okay, here's one. Now these pans that you can get at the truck stop are flimsy as paper. So you gotta be careful what you do. And they're not cheap. They seem to think that these are made out of gold, but you know. So make sure your noodles are flush down under the liquid, under the sauce, if you will. Be successful at it. I had to lick the spoon. That's good stuff. All right. All right, so now since I have the pasta in the 3x6x3 containers, I'm going to go ahead. I'm ready to put them in the oven. Okay, so shut the door. So I'm going to hit air fry once. We'll leave it at 400 degrees. Okay, hit start. Then you want to put in your time. This is 5 minutes. That's an hour and 5 minutes. an hour and 20 minutes. Then you get started. Your pasta is now going to be cooking, air fry style. Well, dinner time is going to be an hour and some odd minutes from now, so I'm going to go ahead and get my TV program, get my satellite going, watch some TV. This is going to be good food. I know it, so whatever. Yeah. Now, remember, I put it on 400 degrees. That coil's like really red hot. It's redder than this shirt. But just in a little over 5 minutes it's been in there, I can really smell the spaghetti sauce. I don't know why I keep looking over there. Over there. Camera's right here. Right there. There's a guy, I can't remember his name. We was down there in Tennessee at a truck stop, and one of my subscribers said something about the last video I did, the veteran video. He couldn't play it. So I asked this guy next to me if he would try it, and it played on his phone. So he was snooping around a little bit more to see what Cooking with Crowbar is all about. And he watched the episode for the veterans. That man came to my truck and handed me a $20 bill and saying, it's never cheap doing a good thing. And I told him, no, keep your money. I'm not in it for profit. And he insisted. So, sir, if you're watching this video, I thank you again. And I thank you for your service. TV's starting up. Well, if you guys have watched any of the videos all the way through, and if you have, thank you. You notice I'll check the heat on everything on the interior. 400 degrees is a lot. It's very, very hot in this truck. The unit itself is really hot. Jeez Louise. It's warm up here. Wow, that's not even hot. Yeah, it's pretty good. Seems to be working well. Quite a few of you said, hey, because of you, I went out and got me one of these. And I'm not a sponsor for Galanz. I found a unit that I was interested in, and I tried it out, and it worked real well. And because of that, I wanted to share it with everybody. So awesome that you got one. That's pretty cool.
I can't wait to see what the convection does with this bag, because you're supposed to cook those in the bag.
Yeah, so also check this out. So not only are we air frying for this meal, we're also going to do the convection part for the garlic knots. So we'll do the convection part because it calls for convection. And guess what? Oh, there's one right there. It says convection on my Galanz. It smells fantastic in here.
Already, and it's just, how long's it been cooking?
Yeah. 20 minutes. Anyway, yeah, so then we got meatballs. I'm going to air fry them so they don't dry out, bake in the oven or whatever. And those shouldn't take long. They're already, I guess, pre-cooked. But the whole deal about this is stop eating at these stupid truck stops. A lot of these stupid truck stops take out the restaurant. They used to have decent food, but they don't anymore. And they put in fast food chains. It's just not like it used to be, So this here is old school method. But, they didn't have this back in the day. But truck drivers used to put grills on their trailer or wherever, cook their own food. And they were happier. I'm happier. Fat and happy. Happy and fat. However you want to look at it. And, yeah. TV just kicked on.
Saying you don't love you. I never did. What? That's me. I've been taking ventriloquist lessons.
Yep.
Now let Dr. Mo.
I still feel the same. I don't know why I did that, but whatever.
That looks so refreshing in the light when you do that.
That one almost went to my thighs. Pretty good. Not hot. They're good.
Man, when you're not at work, you see so many beautiful things.
We got 39 minutes left, so the unit is still substantially hot. But everything else around it, I can't believe that the right side, as you're facing the unit, the right side is cool. This side's warm. The back seems to be fine too. So she's doing real well. Haven't had one kick out at all. Not one. So glad I got that one figured out.
As long as you say it. The lion. I don't have to be quicker than the lion. Just faster than you. Prego gives you wings.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. We have 32 minutes left on this. I'm gonna go ahead, stop it, check it real quick, give it a good stir, and then put it back in, turn it back on. So, like I said, it should be good. They're back in. They're looking really good. Smells really good.
It smells amazing in here.
Yeah. Hey, just a fact on my behalf. Ever since we started cooking our own food and shopping for our own food, we find that we're a lot happier, a lot healthier, if you will. And I mean, it's just something to look forward to when you're out here after you drove all day long and put up with people cutting you off, brake checking you, flipping you off. With that being said, when you stop for the day, you make your own food, you're happier. All them problems go away because they're gone. Whatever, bye. See? All right, a little under 20 minutes to go. I'm gonna go ahead and take my fork, take a noodle out, try it out, see if it's tender, blah, 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 all that other stuff. Man, that's hot. Oh, it smells so good. If I could find a noodle, I would take it out so I could taste it. Hit start. All right, people. Look at that. Don't focus. Let's try it out. A little bit more time. It's chewy. At least it's not crunchy. It's chewy. It's almost done. Let's get our noodle out.
I just saw jerk ribs on the way, man. I wanted to make a note for one thing.
Let's get our little noodle. She's used to little noodles. There she goes. See how chewy it is? It's like that because it's baked.
No, I need more water. I think. I don't. It's a little too chewy right now, but it'll get done more. It's good though. Oh my God, it's gonna be delicious.
All right, so what I'll do. All right, so in each one of the containers, I went ahead and added some more water per Crystal's order. Keep the noodles from drying out. Got them back in there. They're almost done. This is going to be really good. Wow, these meatballs leave no room for imagination. Look how tiny they are. Really?
Oh no.
They're already cooked.
Are they?
I hope so. Yeah.
Are they frozen?
No. But now you got me scared. Oh. They're okay. Alright, so I'll show you guys what it looks like with the meatballs. I just put them on top. So that's what it looks like. And then fresh Kraft Parmesan. Okay. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some on top. So here we have the meatballs in with the noodles. I took the Parmesan cheese, which is right here. I don't want to use all of it because some people might one extra cheese, so I'll save the rest. Okay, everybody, listen, just a little FYI. This is not going to be sexist or anything like that. Trust me, I don't play that game. Okay, so when your wife or girlfriend or whoever is with you and you're driving down the road and they decide, hey, I want a bag of popcorn. They can pop their popcorn in there, but I like to keep my loaves of bread in the microwave, in the Galanz. When you're done popping popcorn, let the damn thing cool down, because if not, you're going to melt the bread bag. It's exactly what Crystal did. Thank you. So, yeah, guilty culprit. So, yeah, it does get hot in there. Remember, even when you microwave. Yeah, so we had to put our bread in Ziploc bags.
Oops.
With using the truck's power on the original power inverter, I have not had one kick off. She has not kicked off. I'm going. No, I'm not. She's going strong. You know, 400 degrees. Yeah, it gets hot. And then over here it's starting to warm up. So you know, just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on your food. Don't burn it like I did that pizza back, you know, a couple episodes back. Yeah. So, and looks good, and the Parmesan is adding a really nice aroma to it. So there it is, coming out of the oven.
Here's the thing, I know you're not an early bird.
See, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Damn ducky. So the garlic knots, they require you to bake at 350 degrees on convection oven. So I put convection, hit start, then I hit the +5 for 5 minutes, then I hit start. So it's going to preheat. It's going to be pretty quick because it was on 400. So once that's, it says add food, so pop the door open. Door in, hit start. 5 minutes later, I have to do the same thing and then flip the bag over. And 5 more minutes for that. Now, the thing you have to remember, guys, you have to hit convection, not microwave convection. Okay, so we have bake, air fry, roast, microwave, convection oven, micro plus convection. You don't want micro plus convection. This is aluminum bag. You just want to put it on convection. I just want to make sure you understand that. So it's completely safe. We're not blowing it up. There's a guy. All right, everybody. I want to officially announce the purple-haired lunch lady.
That's me.
All right, so the first 5 minutes is done. So we're gonna take this out. Son of a bitch, that's hot. Throw it right back in.
Ooh.
On the opposite side. Same thing, convection. 350, hit start. Hit the 5 minute mark, hit start. It'll do its preheat. Add food. Shut the door, hit start. And we'll have dinner. All right, it's done. Final. Finito. Done. It's hot, son of a bitch. All right, so on the bag it says just take it out and open it up. So, you know, keep it away from your face because you burn your shit with the steam. But, you know, it's hot. Then they said to shake the bag. Okay. Then it says, to open at the thing. So, okay, to alleviate all that, I'll just cut the bag open. Yes, because the steam will kill you.
Ooh, that smells good.
Oh. Oh yeah. That smelled really good.
Yeah, I can smell it from here.
I won't be able to see Ducky taste testing this, but you'll hear him.
Good shit, man. Good
Good
shit.
shit.
Good shit, man.
He means Pasta's good.
The pasta's good, man. Very good. I don't want him to watch me because I ain't got my teeth in.
All right, guys, here we go.
I'm gonna let her taste test hers first.
Oh my God.
Is your thing on?
Yeah. Oh, that was perfect.
Try the meatballs.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody. I know this is the part you can't wait. You just stuck around to the end of the video to watch Crowbar shove food in his mouth. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my first bite, cleaning the spoon off.
Oh yeah.
That's how big pasta's supposed to be.
Perfect.
Just like that.
I'm just gonna sit back here in the corner and shove my face now. Yum.
Meatball's good.
Oh yeah. Everything's good. This is delicious. Another success. Thank you, Crowbar.
Then when I get back to my phone, I'll actually put a comment on your page.
So there you have it, people. Make your own food in your own truck. Use the Galanz air fryer, microwave, all in one. Yeah, it's a lot cheaper. It's a fellow driver over here. They don't want to be on camera because. Anyway.
Don't have a super.
So anyway, just remember, always be kind to each other. Keep all your 18 wheels on the road. Stay in your lane.
And don't text and drive.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
See you guys. Till next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Love you guys.